Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to rotate screen on this laptop. To do it, first open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then here, open the System section, go to Display menu, and then scroll down and change the display orientation from landscape to anything else, to any orientation that you need. For example, if you select portrait, you'll have 15 seconds to either keep the changes or revert them. If you don't do anything within this 15 seconds, the changes will be reverted automatically. Let's select keep changes, and now in order to rotate the screen back, you have to expand this list once again, select landscape, and then keep changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.